Welcome Freedom Hero! In this episode we will walk through the 3 key areas of email marketing in a simple and easy to understand way with the main purpose of helping you to get more clients for your services through email marketing. My name is István Bújdosó and this is the 47 Marketing Show. Let's talk about the first key area of email marketing, which is getting email addresses from your target audience online and growing your email list. To get people to give you their email address, you have to make them really curious about your solution that can solve their problem without actually telling them upfront what the solution is. Okay, let me give you an example. If your target audience would be startups, for example, telling them something like, hey, would you like to know the 10 biggest business mistakes that make over 90% of startups fail and how to avoid those mistakes? I will show you them right now when you give me your email address. This doesn't talk about the actual solution they will get and promises to solve a huge problem for startups. Obviously, no startups want to make mistakes or fail. The short and simple way builds curiosity and would motivate people who have startups to give you their email address to find out more. Does this make sense? I know your target audience might be different. Just think about it how you can apply this to your business. Okay, getting people's email address online happens by sending your target audience to a special landing page that piques their curiosity and get them to enter their email address just the way I told you about a minute ago. Okay, are you following this so far? The second key area of email marketing is nurturing your email list, building trust in them and warming them up. The amazing thing about email marketing is that it provides unlimited opportunities to creatively reach out to your leads. It doesn't mean that you can bombard them constantly with offers to sign up to your services. People would get annoyed from that really quickly and unsubscribe from your list. That's just obvious, isn't it? There are many types of content that you can send to your email list daily and give them value, get them to know you, like you, and trust you over time. Here's a few email marketing content ideas. You can email them about case studies, results of your happy clients, or results in your industry. You can share your story with them and get them to know you, like you, and trust you more. You can email them about the commonly made mistakes that are related to a topic so your leads can avoid those mistakes. You can put together a top 5, 10 list, top 5, 10 list of something that your email list would love. And you can write about what the trends are currently or coming soon or disappearing, related to your industry, related to a topic that your leads are interested in. These are just a couple of ideas, and you can come up with more content ideas that can help to nurture your email list. Can you see how these give you the opportunity to reach out to your email list unlimited times and constantly nurture them without annoying them? Okay, last but not least, the third key area of email marketing is offering your services to your email list. Obviously, the ultimate goal of email marketing is to get more clients and make more money. So besides the content emails, from time to time, send a more direct offer to your email list, invite them to book a phone call with you. Those who are ready and interested in the results they can get from you, they will book that phone call. And the huge benefit of this is that the leads that come through your email marketing already know you, like you, and trust you on a level. So they are not cold leads anymore, they're warm or even hot. And that will make it easier to sign up to your services, which is a great thing, don't you think? Okay, I will leave you links to a few additional resources in the description that will help you to implement the 3 key areas of email marketing. Okay, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Make sure that you check out the links in the description. My name is István Boydasó, and see you in the next episode.